I am so glad that we are not in a heat wave of our own over here.
It's amazing that we are in this pocket. You know, we had that one rain gauge last night at Stouffer Elementary, 3 inches of rain in under an hour.
And the storms that we have and what Western Kentucky have are in association with that heat wave. They're called ring of fire storms. So on the edge of that heat dome that they're talking about, you have the uplift for the showers and thunderstorms, but also they have all the fuel with the heat and all the moisture. So definitely they kind of go hand in hand. And this weather pattern is stuck, unfortunately, and we have more rounds of showers and thunderstorms likely for tomorrow. This is an 18-hour loop, and you can see the flash flood warnings there still around Paducah and Mayfield, Kentucky. And they had been under a drought. All the showers and thunderstorms started around midnight last night around Paducah, Western Kentucky, and continued through around 1 p.m. today, creating a new 24-hour state rainfall record. Just look at that continuous rain there on the left side of your screen. Thankfully, it did miss our area, and we do have a flood watch off to our south with more rain that will likely fill in these areas off to our southwest. And we'll see that with Futurecast. But quiet for tonight. Now, there might be an isolated shower or storm that begins to fire up in that muggy air, not showing up on our Futurecast maps, and most of the weather model keeps us mainly dry for tonight. So not expecting anything organized around the area for tonight. Now tomorrow morning, unsettled weather returns to the area. This is around sunrise. I think this is primarily just going to be some heavy rain, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, but severe weather not likely. But as that rain continues to fill in and move to the east and cover more of Kentuckiana here through around lunchtime, this is 12:30 p.m. We'll have to watch out for the potential of that flooding now that a lot of our ground is saturated. Into the afternoon, that first wave begins to dissipate, and if we break out into some sunshine, it's going to be rather muggy, and again, that's the fuel for some more showers and thunderstorms that could arrive out ahead of a cold front tomorrow evening. So we could have a couple of rounds of showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow before that activity begins to move off to the south. Now here comes a north breeze on Friday. That's going to do some nice things for us this weekend. The humidity is going to fall off and the temperatures will be below normal for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Looking at temperatures around 84 with sunshine for Friday afternoon. You can see it here with our humidity tracker. Still tropical for tomorrow. Again, that tropical air feeding those thunderstorms drops off Friday, and then really comfortable for Saturday and Sunday, and then gradually rising humidity as we head into next week. Clouds have kept the storms away today. Still mostly cloudy out there. We've seen a little more sun off to the south of Louisville. Upper 70s, lower 80s, and temperatures across the area are pretty steady right now. 77 in Corden, we've got 80 in Hodgenville, Springfield checking in at 84, and LaGrange at 77. So 7 degrees below normal today with that high of 82, 100 the record back in 1980. Our forecast for tonight, humid out there, can't rule out an isolated shower. Our temperatures only drop to the lower 70s, and then tomorrow our temps top out in the mid 80s, especially if we can get some of that afternoon sunshine after that morning and early afternoon round of some showers and thunderstorms. So up to 88 tomorrow. Good chance of that rain. Bring some of the rain gear. If there are any warnings, we'll get them to you, and you might have to take a break inside. 84 on Friday, 85 on Saturday, and 87 on Sunday. A little cooler at nighttime with that drier air moving in for the weekend as well. Upper 80s to the lower 90s as we head into next week. Could see a couple more pop-up storms return Monday and into Tuesday.